Hi, have you ever wondered what to do with your kitchen waste? We all inevitably cook every day, that too 3 meals a day. So a lot of wet waste would be generated. It can get quite messy, it can get a lot liquidy, it can be very hard to dispose, and with wet waste the thing is you have to use plastic covers to dispose them. Unlike dry waste where you can even use some paper bags or something. There is a concept of kitchen garden to efficiently help dispose the kitchen waste, but not many people know about it, or very few are actually able to implement it. So here Environ Recycling comes with this beautiful machine called the EcoTub, which helps you efficiently convert the kitchen waste into organic manure. With my personal experience, I've been trying to use the wet waste composters for quite many years, but the other companies, it either got worms in it, or it was difficult to use them, or it took up a lot of space in the house. But with this, I personally feel that it's a very efficient way of disposing the waste. It is user friendly, it definitely doesn't emit any foul smell, and is very easy to clean too. So if you are looking to dispose the kitchen waste efficiently, and if you are also an environment friendly person who would like to protect the environment, then this is definitely for you. So it is the recycling machine which has 2 components which helps you dispose the waste. So all you have to do is, you have to open that. Whatever kitchen waste you have, a handful of it, whether it's beans or vegetable peels or any extra vegetables or the rotten vegetables, make sure you just cut them in small pieces, and all you have to do is put them inside the waste bin. Then, to make sure that the waste does not get too moist or too watery, you put some sawdust. So this will absorb all the moisture, as well as it will prevent any extra organisms from coming in the waste. Then the third product that comes with the machine is the bioculture. This is the culture that will help to activate the microorganisms that will help turn the waste into manure. And once it turns into manure, you can use it for your gardens, you can use it for all the plants and trees, and you will definitely see a change in the way they grow. They look more healthy, they grow faster, and then soil becomes so nutrient rich. So after you add the waste, the sawdust and little bit of bioculture, just 1 tablespoon, that's all it requires to activate the culture. So you add these 3 and then you close it. And all you have to do is just rotate. It's a very easy model to use. It is hassle free, I would really say. I have been using it myself for around 6 years, and I would not go for anything else. So after this is done, usually the composting process takes around 15 days to develop. And here, since as you can see, there are 2 compartments. So if compost has developed in one compartment, you can easily clear it out. And then you can start the fresh batch in the other one. So I'll just show you how the compartment is cleared. So once you open it, the way you'll know that it has been cleared is that you'll get a very soil-like consistency. So quite literally, you will not be able to differentiate between soil and the compost. So as you can see, the waste like this has completely been converted into organic manure. So once you remove it, you can definitely use it for your garden. And you'll definitely see a difference in the way the plants grow because of the nutrient-rich medium that you've provided with them. So that's about the EcoTub. Definitely use it. It will help save your time, effort, energy, and it will also help your garden smile.